Welcome back to Mrs. Sneed's key signature tutorial. Last week we learned that to name a key signature you needed to find out where do was. Then you needed to name that. Note, it's an E, but it's really an E flat because we have an E flat in the key signature. So this is E flat major. But what if I wanted to find out what minor key signature this is? Instead of hunting for do, which we said was here and was called E flat, I'm going to look for la, because we know that the minor scale starts on la. E flat, D, C. I look to see if there are any C's in the key signature, and there are not. So this is C minor. What about for the sharps? Is the principle the same? Yes, it is. This would be the key of D major. If I wanted to find minor, I'm going to find the la, do, ti, la, and this would be called B minor. The key of B minor, there are no B sharps in the key signature, so let's take this key in major. It would be called F sharp because we have an F sharp in the key signature. In minor, this would be D sharp minor. The reason it's D sharp is because we have a D sharp in the key signature. Did you notice that every time I wrote a minor key signature, I would put a little M beside it? That tells us that this is B minor. If I just had the capital letter with nothing beside it, that indicates D major. So when you're writing your key signature, writing what the key signature is, you would either write a plain E for E major, or put the little M beside it to indicate that it's E minor. If you don't make that distinction, then there's no way to know what it is. Basically, you're incorrect if you don't make that distinction.